Hello everyone. We just continue with the next topic, processing device and the storage device. We just understand over here कि processing device means a CPU, central processing unit, and it is a main hardware component of the computer and is also known as a brain of computer. There are so many functions of a computer which have the three basic parts: ALU, MU and CU, arithmetic and logical unit, control unit and memory unit. It performs the all type of a data processing operation. It controls the functions of all the parts of computer and stores the data, instructions and output. CPU is present inside the CPU box. CPU box contain a motherboard which have a main circuit board in the computer. There are the main three components which I tell you earlier, that it have a three main components or the three parts: ALU, MU and CU. So it is the most important processing device. Next, the storage device. The main storage device is a hard disk which is already inside the CPU box. And very well, I think earlier classes you also understand and known the term कि our computer can store the data in a form of binary digit, means 0 and 1. 0 is the off state and 1 is the on state. 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. Similarly, the other higher units are 1 kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte and terabyte, and it have the different 1024 bytes, kilobytes, megabyte and gigabytes, right? Next we talk about the other two types of storage device: primary storage device and secondary storage device. Primary storage device or a primary memory, it is a main memory. It only stores those data and instructions on which the computer is currently working. Means it is an internal storage device. The example for it: RAM and ROM, random access memory and read only memory. If I talk about the secondary storage, it have a many examples. Secondary memory means it can also known as a auxiliary memory or external memory. It can store the data permanently, and it have a huge data storing capacity. Means 1 GB डेटा से लेकर ये 64 GB डेटा तक स्टोर कर सकता है, मीन्स 72 तक भी करता है. मतलब उसके पास एक हाई स्टोरिंग कैपेसिटी होती है हमारी सेकेंडरी यूनिट में, सेकेंडरी डिवाइस में. और सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस में बहुत सारा स्पेस होती है. और इसका सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रूटफुल वे क्या है, फ्रूटफुल यूज़ क्या होता है कि यू कैन टेक द सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस फ्रॉम द वन प्लेस टू अनदर, लाइक हार्ड डिस्क, CD, CDR, DVD, Blu-ray disc, pen drive, memory card. These are the basic example for the secondary storage device and it is used for the same storing capacity. Thank you.